Python programming language has over 60 built-in functions to help you code more efficiently. In this video, we will discuss the function range. Hi, Python enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the range function, a fundamental tool for generating sequences of numbers in Python. Whether you're writing loops or creating numeric sequences, range is a must-know function. By the end of this video, you'll understand how it works, when to use it, and how to make the most of its features. Let's get started. What is range? It's a built-in function that generates a sequence of numbers. Here's the syntax. Range with a start and stop arguments and an optional step argument. The start argument is the starting number of the sequence, inclusive. Its default is 0. The stock argument provides the endpoint of the sequence, exclusive. And the step is the increment between the numbers. The default is 1. The function returns a range object, which is an immutable sequence of numbers. Why use range? It's the go-to tool for creating sequences of numbers efficiently. Key concepts include lazy evaluation. The range function doesn't create the sequence in memory, but generates numbers on demand, making it memory efficient. Immutability. The range object can't be modified, ensuring predictable behavior. And flexibility. Supports positive, negative, and custom step values, enabling a wide range of use cases. You'd use range when you're creating loops that iterate over a sequence of numbers, when you're generating sequences for computations or data structures, or you're working with indices or offsets and iterable objects. Let's start with a basic example of using the range function in a for loop. Here, range 5 generates numbers from 0 to 4, inclusive of 0, but exclusive of 5. You can customize the starting value by adding the start parameter. In this example, the sequence starts at 2 and ends at 5, exclusive of 6. The range function supports custom steps for skipping numbers in the sequence. Here, the step value of 2 generates every second number from 0 to 8. Remember, it's exclusive of 10. You can use a negative step to generate sequences in reverse. In this example, the sequence counts down from 10 to 2, exclusive of the 0. To view the generated numbers, you can convert a range to a list. Converting a range to a list is useful for debugging or when you need a materialized sequence. Here are some important points about the range function. It's memory efficient as it generates numbers lazily. The stop value is exclusive, so plan your sequences accordingly. Always specify the step carefully when working with negative or custom increments. And that's the range function. To recap, it generates sequences of numbers efficiently. It's highly versatile, supporting custom start, stop, and step values. Use it for loops, computations, or working with indices. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Python tips. Happy coding!